Grid method. So for this, we are multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Right, so the first one, we have here 52 multiplied by 41. And all we need to do is partition each number into tens and ones, and we're going to draw out our grid to make sure we multiply every one by every one. Okay, so when we draw it, we draw a grid. We can just do two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. And then we put our tens here, our ones here, our tens here, and our ones here, right? So we have 50 and 2 and 40 and 1. And then when we go through it, we're just making sure that we multiply the two numbers that match on that box. So this first box here, we're going to have the 40 come down and the 50 from there. So we do 40 times 50. Now, I don't know my 40 times table or my 50 times table, but I do know that 4 times 5 is 20. So I do 4 times 5 is 20, but I've got a 10 more from up here. So I'm one more place up the place value, and this 5 is in the tens, is in 50. So it's another one up, so it ends up being 2,000. And then for this one, I end up with 4 times 2 is 8, but we're one place value bigger, so it's 80. Right here, nice and easy, 50 times 1, and here 2 times 1. Then what I'm going to do is add these up. If I do 2,000 add 50, I get 2,050. And this one I get 82, and I line them up really nice so that I can just add them up like that. Okay, next one, 3 times 5 is 15. So 30 times 50 is 1,500, a 0 here and a 0 here. So we're moving it up to 5 times 5 is 25, so 5 times 50 is 250, 6 times 3 is 18, so 6 times 30 is 180, and 6 times 5 is 30, and then we add them up, and we get 1,680, and I line this up nice as 280, and I add it to get 1,960, and that is our grid method. Like and subscribe.